Hello everyone. Let's see adjust calibration coefficient manually by NovaLCT. First, let's see the hardware connection. Here we have 3 tips. The first is we should use PC to provide the video source. And then the video signal from PC to controller should be directly. The third one is the resolution on the PC should be the same as the screen. Let's go to the software part. And this is NovaLCT software. We need to click the calibration to go to the calibration interface. And in this interface, we need to make sure to enable the calibration firstly. And then click adjust coefficients. Color is uniform on screen. In this interface, step 1, we can select the area by pixel or select by topology or list. And step 2, we selected the area which we want to adjust and click next. So if we want adjust by module, from here, step 2, you can enter the module size, and from step 3, you can select area and then click next. In this step, we need to choose adjust the same effect as other selected area and follow the step 2 and step 3 to select area and then click next. So from this value, we can adjust red, green, and blue. Also, we can use advanced adjustment to adjust more values. If you only need adjust coefficient of one part, after adjustment and you are satisfied with the result, you just click save and then finish. If you want to apply the adjustment effect to the other areas, please click 2. Then you will see the rest part. You can follow the step 3 and step 4, 5, then check the result of the whole screen. Click save and then finish. This is before adjustment, and this is after. By the way, for this function, we require the engineer has rich experience of our system and the edit screen. Thank you. See you next time. Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to adjust calibration coefficient manually by NovaLCT software. First, please click Calibration. Go to the Calibration Interface. And in this interface, we need to make sure to enable the calibration firstly. And then we go to the Manage Coefficients. And click Adjust Coefficients. Color is uniform on screen. So we can see the screen. The first step is we can select area by pixel or by topology or list and select area on screen. For example, I select this part. If we have requirement to adjust coefficient by module, we can double-click the area. For example, the module size is 64 by 64, and we can select the module from here. So I already selected the area and I click next. In this step, we click adjust the same effect as other selected area. For example, this area, and click next. And in this step, we can see the parameter of red, green, and blue. We can do the adjustment from here. Also, we can click Advanced Adjustment. We can see more values here. We can do adjustment. For example, we adjust the saturation. And When we finish, we can click Next. So if we just want to adjust one part, so we can save and click Finish. If we want to apply the adjustment effect to other areas, we can click here. For example, I select this area. Click Apply. Click Save. Then Finish. That's all for adjust coefficients from NovaLCT, and see you next time.